In this section, we are going to look at how to calculate our absenteeism rate. We have our data set here, the employee ID, the names of employees, the age, departments, days of absence, work days available, then reasons. And whenever you want to calculate for your absenteeism rate, you need to consider the total days in the year, the total number of weekends, the public holidays in that year, the annual leave, which is entitled to the employee. So here you could have your small table alongside your calculation. So this data set ranges from the year 2024. So we are calculating the absenteeism rates for employees in the year 2024. The total number of days in 2024 was 366. The total number of weekends was 104. And the total public holidays was 11. And the annual leave, which is at the discretion of the organization. In Ghana, our labor law permits not less than 15 working days. So let's assume here to be 20 working days. We have our total work days being 231. So you realize the work days available for each employee is 231. And their reasons of absence. Now, let's calculate for the absenteeism rate, which is by the formula the total number of absence days divided by the total available working days in a given specified period times 100. So let's calculate our total days of absence by using the sum if. So let's select any of the employees to calculate his or her absenteeism rates. Here, let's select Kodonyako. The days of absence was 5 in the year. So the total days of absence was 5. Then the total available work days was 231. Then the annual absenteeism rate for Kojo Nyako would be 5 divided by the total work days times 100. So here we have it in decimal. Let's convert it into percentage. You go to your home tab Then select your percentage icon. So it's 2%. We can also calculate for the annual absenteeism rate for the year. So here we are going to calculate the total days of absence for all the employees in the organization. So um, let's get rid of this. Okay, let's do it here. So let's calculate the total days of absence for the employees in the organization by using the sum if function. Then you select control space bar to select the entire column in the days of absence. Then you close your brackets. So we have it in dates. Let's convert it into days. Let's calculate our total available work days, which we already have here to be 231. Now, let's calculate the annual absenteeism rate, which is the total number of absence days for all the employees divided by the total available working days. So here you're equal to 120 divided by the 231. We have 52%. So the total annual absenteeism rate for the company in the year 2024 is 52. We can do same for departments. We can also do same just as we've done for individuals. For individuals, the industry benchmark for absenteeism is not more than 2%. So any employee whose rate is beyond 2% is someone that we have to um, have a conversation with. It causes an alarm, and we have to have a one-on-one conversation with such employee to reduce the absenteeism of such individual. So we can do same for all other employees.